Hi guys, it's Dan from KTR Racing here. We just want to do a little product video on one of the best upgrades to your i30N car. Now these are the black covers. These go over the logo badges on the front and rear. The stock ones are chrome. Nobody likes chrome, so make your car look a lot more aggressive with these little black badge covers that we sell on our website. As you can see, they are really good quality. They are actually 3D printed, so they're very high quality 3D printed, and then there's a process that is used to apply the gloss over the back of them as well. So that means that we can actually make these a lot cheaper than all the competitors out there that are selling them. So these are the best and the cheapest on the market. So go and check out now. We always have loads of these in stock, so you'll get them next day delivery. Just important to note as well, we don't supply this with any adhesive. Again, keeps the cost down. Usually people have got the stuff lying around that they can reuse, and also we don't want to supply something that might permanently stick these onto your car. You might want to remove them at some point if you're selling them, so we allow you guys to choose what adhesive to use to stick these on, which I think is a nice little touch as well. So go check out now guys, there's a link below.